Hey, you, my name is Maria, and I want to take you by the hand and help you one on one to make an extra $500 a week or $2,000 a month, right? By the easiest way I know of. So you don't have to worry about paying your bills and struggle and being in constant fear and stress and jump from one business to another without having any significant results from anything, right? So let me show you. This is my ClickFunnels account, and as you can see, on April 1st, I made 60 bucks, right? April 3rd, 100 bucks. April 4th, 100 bucks. April 5th, $240. And if we add it all together, 240, 340, 440, $500, right? So that gives us extra 2 grand a month. And the best part is that this is not my main business. I do this just for fun on the side. So this is going to take you just an extra just hour of your day, right? And so how you can do this? You I will give you basically a plan, a map, and I will help you personally so you don't have to feel stuck at any point and actually succeed with it. My consulting fees cost 2 grand plus, but you can get my help actually for free if you join the challenge that I'm going to show you. So if you probably heard about it before, if you haven't, it's called One Funnel Away Challenge from Clickfunnels, Russell Brunson, right? And what is it? It's a life transforming program that will just change your life. And I'm really excited to share this with you because it's like I've never found anything so valuable as this thing. And so to get to this page, you just need to click the link in the description of this video. And if you are already on this page, then all you have to do to join the challenge, just put your email here and join the challenge, right? Right. And when you do that, here is what you are going to get. So you will get all awesome stuff from Russell Brunson, 30 days of video missions, right, from Russell Brunson, 30 days of coaching from Stephen Larson, Julie Stone, one funnel away challenge, customized kit, and all kinds of bonuses like challenge workbook, MP3 player, 30 days hardcover book, and unlimited access to interviews and behind the scenes to my own interviews, all kinds of valuable things. Plus, if you join through this website, through this funnel, then you will also get special bonuses from me, like that one-on-one help, but as well as ClickFunnels course. You will get access to my ClickFunnels course that will help you master funnels quickly, so you can become expert in a very short period of time. And all right, so this will give you cutting edge techniques in online marketing, and so you can fully automate your online business and scale it to the moon. And so value of this is $100. And I will also give you my pre-built highest converting funnels. So because the hardest part in this thing is building it from scratch. But if I give you pre-built high converting funnels, you will just customize it to your offer, add your own logo and own things, and you're ready to roll, right? So very cool thing. You will get sales funnel, evergreen webinar funnel, membership funnel, lead magnet funnel, and I will also throw you this very funnel that you can see right now, so you can actually start promoting this thing, and that I'm going to talk about very soon. So you will also get private access to our ClickFunnels private family group, where I can help you anytime you have any questions or feel stuck, right? So you don't have to so you can avoid any guesswork. and this is valued $1,000. You will also get access to my Traffic Secrets online course, and so you don't have to, many businesses fail because they don't have enough traffic. And this may be tricky as algorithms of Facebook, Instagram change their algorithms all the time, right? So something was working before and it's not working now, right? So I'll show you how to get traffic from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more. And you will get also access to online consultant secrets program that will help you charge high ticket prices for your services. So if you learn and take this course, you will never go hungry because you will become so valuable in the marketplace. And my very special extra bonus, if you join this thing today, you will also get this help from me that I was talking about in the beginning. So I will take you by the hand and help you one on one to make that 2 grand, so that extra 2 grand a month. So you can do whatever you want, right? If you have extra 2 grand, how would that change your life? Could you travel more, or could you go eat, eat more in restaurants, or whatever that thing is? You can have it all. If you just All you need to do is just take action on what I'm going to share with you. That game plan and what step by step, right? And so, as I mentioned before, I will also share with you this high converting funnel that will that will help you make your first $1,000 in a short period of time. You can make it fast, because I know that many people worry about monthly subscription of Clickfunnels or about the cost of it. So we will focus on making that $1,000 fast, so you don't have to worry about that at all. So Clickfunnels become an asset and not a liability that you have to pay for, right? And guys, value of this is literally priceless. I said that I charge over 2 grand for my consulting services, but you have to understand that your success is my success, right? So it's in my best interest that you actually succeed with this thing. And so total value of all of this is 18 grand, over 18 grand. And the only cost for you is $100. And you will get all bonuses, and you just need to jump in before the next challenge starts. And guys, so this is the easiest thing how you can start in the business. Basically, the model is affiliate marketing, right? And that will help you get a little confidence, because I know many people try to get clients in the beginning and other things, and nothing is working really well because people don't have confidence. But affiliate marketing, when you market actually products that are proven, that is easier to sell them, right? And ClickFunnels is the best affiliate program I've ever seen, because you will not only get huge commissions, but you will also get recurring commissions. So that's why you can build passive monthly income. So you do the work once, and they will keep paying you month after month after month, right? So it's really awesome. And so all we have to do, so we can start working together, you just need to join the challenge now. You just click the button, put your email. When you click it, that will take you to official page. It will redirect you to One Funnel Away official page, and then you can sign up. And when you do that, you just make sure that you check the ID, that there is actually my affiliate ID, right? So I can get you all the bonuses and all of my time and everything, all that support, right? And then just reach out to me. Hey, yo, Maria, I just bought a pay challenge. Let's do this thing, right? You can reach out to me on Facebook Messenger, or just send receipt on the support, my support@mariuyuri.com, and just title email one funnel away challenge. And as quickly as I confirm that receipt, we can start working together and change your life, right? And then you just, let's quickly see like what other people are saying about the challenge. So Margarita is saying, thank you so much, guys, for providing so much value, right? Brandon, this is the best training that I've ever seen or been a part of. And Daniel says they create amazing value, connection, and training with the tools and resources to turn on your marketing genius within you. Guys, that, like when you jump into this challenge, there is so much energy going on that you will be just pumped, right? So be prepared for the best training of your life. So I feel like all of the pieces are coming together, guys. And I also, if you don't know me just yet, you can also read something more about me. I have high ticket clients, 9-figure companies. I do digital marketing for funnels and just offer my services, right? And so here is a little bit about my story. And in the beginning, I was struggling, as many of you, as we all of us have, right? And but after I figured this thing out, changed my life. And I just want to share this with you, so the same thing can happen for you. So yeah, just click the link. When you click it, it will take you up here, and you just put your email, and then you press join the challenge. It will redirect you to official page, and then just make sure that you control the ID, right? 212. This is the correct ID, and if you have this ID, then you can just proceed and sign up for the challenge, right? You go to the bottom of the page, and there you can read more. You can also you don't have to rush, just go through it and check it out, testimonials, right? And you can read everything which you're going to get, and on the bottom you can sign up. There is two options. You can sign up for digital only, or you can get both physical and digital. You will get all kinds of cool things like workbooks and 30 days book, right? It's very nice, but you don't need it to become successful with it. Digital is more than enough, but it's really up to you if you like to write things out, write things down, and actually have something physical like books in your hand, and you can do it, guys. When I was starting out, as I said, all this incredible value is just $100, and this is crazy because, guys, when I was starting out, I was struggling. I paid for courses that cost over $1,000. I paid thousands and thousands of dollars into investing in all kinds of courses, and I was failing over and over and over. I was failing at everything, guys. I've tried, e-commerce and drop shipping and all kinds of various sketchy things, and I just wish I had someone who could point me in the right direction. Maria, stop wasting your money. Just give me 100. Join this challenge for $100, and it will change your life. If just someone had told me this, I will have to waste months and months of trial and error that almost destroyed me, right? Many people just give up after there is too much pain of failing over and over again, right? But after I figured this thing out, when I signed my first client, the chain of over 500 pharmacies, I remember I was like I was listening to music very loud, and I was just happy because I could, never have to go back to my 9 to 5. That changed my life. And after I got a couple consulting clients, I was able, then I was, I wanted to just build another stream of income, and affiliate marketing is like the perfect for it, right? Because it's I just wish I started actually with this because it's much easier than to get clients. So I didn't have to go through all that pain and everything. And it's much easier when you make a little bit of, like, when you start making money with affiliate marketing, when you get all confident and then you can go after clients, and it's easier way. And I just wish someone had told me this. So yeah, that's what I want to do right now. I just want to see you succeed. So just click the link and let's do this, guys. Let's do it together, you and me. I am really excited to start working with you and transform every aspect of your life. Let's do it.